Selena, Class 10, Chapter 20, Cylinder, Cone and Sphere, Surface Area and Volume. Sphere. A sphere is a solid obtained on revolving a circle about any diameter of it. Let R be the circle of the sphere. First, volume of sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube, equal to volume of material in the sphere. Second, surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Spherical shell. It is the solid enclosed between two concentric spheres. Let capital R be the external radius and small r be the internal radius of the spherical shell. And its volume is 4 upon 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube, equal to volume of material in the spherical shell. Hemisphere. When a solid sphere is cut through its center into two equal identical pieces, each piece is called hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is equal to half volume of sphere, which is equal to half into 4 upon 3 pi r cube, equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Second, total surface area is equal to half the total surface area of the sphere plus the area of the circle, which is pi r square, equal to half into 4 pi r square plus r square, equal to 3 pi r square. Exercise 20C. Sum number 1. The surface area of a sphere is 2464 centimeters square. Find its volume. Given surface area of sphere equal to 2464 centimeters square. Let R be the radius. Therefore, surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square is equal to 2464. 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 2464. Therefore, r square equal to 2464 into 7 upon 4 into 22 equal to 196. R square equal to 196. Therefore, r equal to 14 centimeter. Volume equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube, equal to 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14 into 14, which is equal to 11,498.67 centimeter cube. Sum number 2. The volume of a sphere is 38,808 centimeter cube. Find its diameter and the surface area. Given volume of sphere 38,808 centimeter cube. Let R be the radius of the sphere. Therefore, volume of sphere formula is 4 upon 3 pi r cube equal to 38,808. Substitute the value. 4 upon 3 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r cube equal to 38,808. Therefore, r cube equal to 38,808 into 7 into 3 upon 4 into 22, which is equal to 9261. R cube equal to 9261. Therefore, R equal to 21 centimeter. Diameter equal to R equal to 2 into 21 is equal to 42 centimeter. Surface area equal to 4 pi r square, which is equal to 4 into 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. Therefore, surface area is equal to 5,544 centimeters square. Sum number 3. A spherical ball of lead has been melted and made into identical smaller balls with radius equal to half the radius of the original one. How much such balls can be made? Let the radius of spherical ball equal to r. Therefore, its volume will be 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Radius of smaller ball is half, so r upon 2. volume of smaller ball is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r upon 2 the whole cube, which is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube upon 8, which is equal to 4 r cube upon 6. Sorry, pi r cube upon 6. Therefore, number of smaller balls made out of the given ball is equal to volume of the spherical ball upon volume of the smaller ball. Volume of spherical ball is 4 upon 3 pi r cube upon volume of smaller ball is pi r cube upon 8, equal to 4 upon 3 into 6 equal to 8. Numbers of smaller balls equal to 8. Sum number 4. How many balls each of radius 1 centimeter can be made by melting a bigger ball whose diameter is 8 centimeter? Diameter of bigger ball 8 centimeter, therefore radius 4 centimeter. Volume of the bigger ball 4 upon 3 pi r cube equal to 4 upon 3 pi into 4 into 4 into 4 equal to 256 pi upon 3 centimeter cube. Radius of smaller ball is 1 centimeter. Therefore, volume 4 upon 3 pi r cube equal to 4 upon 3 into pi into 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 4 pi upon 3 centimeter cube. Number of balls is equal to volume of bigger ball upon volume of smaller ball equal to 256 pi upon 3 into 3 upon 4 pi, which is equal to 64. Number of balls 64. Sum number 5. 8 metallic sphere, each of radius 2 mm, are melted and cast into a single sphere. Calculate the radius of new sphere. Radius of metallic sphere 2 mm, which is equal to 1 upon 5 centimeter. Volume equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube equal to 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 5 equal to 88 upon 21 into 125 centimeter cubes. There are 8 metallic sphere. Therefore, volume of 8 sphere equal to 88 into 8 upon 21 into 125, which is equal to 704 upon 21 into 125 centimeter cube. Let that be equation 1. Let volume of radius of new sphere equal to r, capital R. Therefore, its volume equal to 4 upon 3 pi capital R cube, which is equal to 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 capital R cube equal to 88 upon 21 capital R cube. Let that be equation 2. From 1 and 2, 88 upon 21 R cube is equal to 704 upon 21 into 125. Therefore, R cube equal to 704 upon 21 into 125 into 21 upon 88, which is equal to 8 upon 125. R cube equal to 8 upon 125. Therefore, R is equal to 2 upon 5, which is equal to 0.4 centimeter, equal to 4 millimeter. New radius of the sphere is 4 millimeter. Sum number 6. The volume of one sphere is 27 times that of another sphere. Calculate the ratio of their radii and surface area. Volume of first sphere equal to 27 into volume of second sphere. Let radius of first sphere be r1, radius of second sphere be r2. Therefore, its volume of first is 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube. Volume of second sphere 4 upon 3 pi r2 cube. The volume of first sphere is equal to 27 times volume of second sphere. Therefore, 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube is equal to 27 into 4 upon 3 pi r2 cube. r1 cube equal to 27 r2 cube, which is equal to 3 r2 the whole cube. r1 is equal to 3 r2. Therefore, r1 upon r2 is equal to 3 upon 1. Their ratio is 3:1. Second part. Surface area of first sphere is 4 pi r1 square. Surface area of second sphere is 4 pi r2 square. Therefore, ratio of the surface area is 4 pi r1 square upon 4 pi r2 square, which is equal to r1 square upon r2 square, equal to 3 upon 1 the whole square, which is equal to 9:9 upon 1. Ratio of their surface area is 9:1. Sum number 7. If the number of square centimeters on surface of a sphere is equal to the number of cubic centimeters in the volume, what is the diameter of the sphere? Let r be the radius of the sphere. Its surface area will be 4 pi r square. Its volume will be 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Surface area is equal to its volume. Therefore, 4 pi r square is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. R cube upon r square is equals to 4 pi into 3 upon 4 pi. Radius is equal to 3 centimeters because it is in cubic centimeters and square centimeters. Therefore, diameter of sphere is equals to 2r. 2 into 3 equal to 6 centimeter. Sum number 8. A solid metal sphere is cut through its center into 2 equal parts. If the diameter of the sphere is 1 upon 2 centimeter, find the total surface area of each part correct up to 2 decimal places. Diameter of sphere 3 upon 1 2, which is equal to 7 upon 2 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the sphere is equal to 7 upon 4 centimeter. Total curved surface area of each hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus r square, which is equal to 3 pi r square. Substitute the value. 3 into 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 4 into 7 upon 4 equal to curved surface area of each hemisphere equal to 28.88 centimeters square.